cocky, but it's not true. I don't know what to say. I just know what the hell I'm doing. I don't con people. I tell people the truth, and they see the results of it. Tim here, polished and full attention to detail. Third brand new 2019 Sierra that we've corrected. This one here, oh my God, it looked 10 years old. What did I do? Ceramic Pro Gold rounds of 9H is installed. 9H is your scratch resistance. Will it help resist a lot of the scratching and swirling that goes on? It will. A wax and a sealant doesn't do that. And then on top of the 9H, we have top coat. Top coat is the hydrophobic part. It's not, that part of the system is not permanent. Nope, 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 no, no, no. Top coat makes it easy to clean. That is the silky smooth, nice, no scrubbing part of the system. And that makes the Ceramic Pro Gold package. And it comes with a lifetime warranty.
Things don't last a lifetime.
Okay, we gotta stop this, folks. We gotta stop saying things don't last a lifetime. If you keep up maintenance, it can last. A lifetime? We don't know. But I've seen vehicles with 3 years and they're still going strong compared to other coatings that I've installed. He's got Ceramic Pro Gold on there. It's gonna be easy for him to clean. That industrial fallout is gonna be easy to get off. And that levee mud that gets on there, he'll be able to get that off with no problem, and it's not gonna do permanent damage to his truck. So, who's next?